So if you're looking for bassline inspiration, look no further than this Sting plugin. Sting's been around for a long time. It is completely free, so you can just get it if you Google it, and it's very easy to use. So here I've just got a bassline and I've got a drum kit, and I'm just going to click on the randomize feature. I don't know what I'm going to get, but it just gives you basically every type of bassline or acid type bassline that you can get. So that is possible. So let's take a listen. Let's go again. So what you got here is you got transposition, length, and swing. So we can just reduce that swing back down to 0 and reduce the length, say, to 8, and increase the transposition by about 3. And now let's just take a listen. Increase the transposition and reduce the length. Now density is the amount of notes that we've got, so we can reduce the notes. And let's increase the swing. Increase the density again. Let's just bring the length up to 16 again. Now let's actually go into the bassline instrument, and we can start messing with things like cutoff and resonance. Let's just go randomize again. Let's just go back into repro. I mean, just whatever you do just sounds good, and it can create some super cool bass lines for you. Let's just slow down that BPM a bit and see what we get now. Increase the density. Let's get rid of the swing now. Isn't that cool? I mean, you can just probably play with this for hours, and it sounds good pretty much with any type of bass instrument. I highly recommend you check this out.